I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the old number's eligibility. This prevents wasted steps. Log into your carrier account and verify the number is still listed or eligible for porting. Once done, get your account PIN and any two-factor device nearby so you can approve changes instantly. Check whether your phone uses eSIM or a physical SIM because the process differs slightly. Start the change procedure in the carrier app or account portal now to lock the number for transfer. Now you execute the core steps. In the carrier app, choose Replace Number or Port TIN and enter the old number plus required account PIN. If asked, provide your current SIM ID or eSIM activation code. Carriers use these to associate service. You'll receive confirmation codes or emails. Approve them quickly. Expect brief service interruption. Carriers typically schedule a short handoff window. Make sure to follow each prompt and don't close the browser until the portal confirms success. Finish by confirming calls and texts work on the restored number. Test both incoming and outgoing. Once connected, update any services tied to your number, banking, two-factor apps, and subscriptions to avoid lockouts. If something fails, collect the port ticket number and the time of your attempt, then call carrier support immediately. Provide your account PIN and SIM details so they can escalate. Keep calm. Most issues clear with a support-led retry, and you'll know why it failed and what they'll do next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.